Hello and welcome to this demonstration of LAMP. In this segment we'll be looking at some of the basic CRM functionality. I'm just logging in here. You're then presented with this screen where you can select the division, project and campaign. I'm going to select a division here called Core Business, and then a project called General New Business, and then a campaign called the Incoming Calls. Now, full details under the campaign selection are provided to explain this in more detail and in the Getting Started guide. But for now, I'm just going to accept these and submit. This will now take me to a dashboard where we can see things that I've selected, and I can customize that with the dashlets like my opportunities, my meetings, and so on and so forth. What I'm going to do to start with is I'm actually going to go and have a look at my list of prospects. In this simple demonstration I've only got one. We've got some basic information and we can do some simple or advanced selections up here. I'm going to go and have a look at this guy called Test Prospect. This layout is reasonably standard, quite a lot of data on here, it can be customized. We have some other tabs which I won't go into now, but we'll see the basic information about this record. At the lower part of the screen we've got the sub tabs where we can see information about this record, emails that we sent, campaigns, activities and so on, and we can also see the contacts, and we can see a gentleman here called Joe Besic, and I will select him and we'll open up his record. Now in this record, layout pretty similar, name and address information, and again down at the bottom the information showing us the activities, emails that he's been sent and so on. Now what I'm going to do on this record is I'm actually going to edit this record and just show a little bit about some of the basic processes such as the lead flow in LAMP. And we can see here again the static information. We've got some information here about where the lead came from, who owns it, the grading, so we can grade it. We have a sort of a telemarketing sort of phone call type grading because that's what we expect in the early parts of the sales cycle. And then we move on to MQLs and SQLs. Now an MQL is a marketing qualified lead, and we've already found out 3 items of an MQL here, that we've got the correct profile, they acknowledge they've got a problem, and they've agreed to sales contact. Now if they understand our proposition and they've got some reason to change, and these are the dates that these items were set, and now we save this record, this is going to actually create us with an MQL with a lead status set to a marketing qualified lead to be accepted by sales. So if I now save this record and we come back to the main screen and scroll down to look at the opportunities, we'll now see that the system has created us automatically an opportunity with a sort of a made up name there, MQL 171 Joe, that was based on the fact that we had made an MQL. So if we go and have a look at this opportunity, we now come into the opportunity, which I'll open up for editing. We'll see there are various subtypes here, like which are the contacts. We've got some specific things like meetings and intelligence, and also what we're going to sell or hope to sell these people we have down as sales items. We can see the different fields up here, including the grading, and we could grade that as again as rejected as an MQL, or as being accepted by sales, so it now becomes a bona fide MQL. Sales' job is now to qualify that further, and we can see here we've got more details and we've got some qualification, and this is the key area of qualification here in terms of money, authority, need, competition, timescale, mandact, or you could use BANT, which enables the opportunity to be qualified. I'll save this now. We're now back at the opportunity screen, and in this short demonstration we've seen here under this heading of entities and utilities, we've had a quick look at prospects, contacts and opportunities, and underneath that we've seen activities, emails and notes, and this comprises some of the basic CRM capabilities within LAMP. Thank you.